Hey guys, welcome back. Technical video here. Today's video going to be very interesting and very awesome for those people who are customizing their home screen on regular basis. Right? So these are the customization they used to use, but the main thing is they were using a lot of widgets for customizing their home screen. Right? So there are multiple widgets for customizing the home screen, but today I'm going to talk about one widget application. Okay, it is color widgets. I know many people use this and many people using this, but there is a new update on this where you don't have to use this all the widgets anymore. So all the features of multiple widgets are added to this update. So let's see and how are the updates. So let's open the application. This is the homepage of color widgets. It's very beautiful. So first of all, let's see what are the new feature added. Then we can go and see the customization features. So let's see. So just scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see first you will see your quotes. This is new. So from now onward, you can add your quotes on your home screen. So you can add the quotes on your home screen very easily with these widgets. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see something called as a countdown. So from now onwards, you can put a widgets on a countdown mode. For example, if you see on a home screen, so there is a countdown widget, right? So this is and for this I am using this countdown application. But from now onwards, you can use the same application for this countdown as well. If you scroll down, the one more feature added, it is steps. This is related to your health application, but this is a premium version. For that you have to pay and take the benefit of this application. Right? So these are the new feature added to this color widgets. So we know what are the new categories added to the widget application. Now let's see what are the new customization option available for us in this widget application. So just tap on edit mode, just open the widget, and here you will enter into a edit option. And if you see here, there is the UI is changed. Okay, the background image option is brought on top. So here just tap on change photo, and here scroll down and you can choose the image. Just choose this, and here this is a new update. Earlier you cannot change the photo or you cannot adjust the image for your background, but now you can adjust the image, you can change the image, or you can choose any part as your background. Okay, just choose this image. Once you do that, click on choose. Okay, and that part will be kept as your widget background. Just tap on set widget. So if you go back to your home screen, you will see that the background image is changed, right? So like this, you can keep your background image as per your wish. You can customize it, you can adjust it, and you can crop it also, and keep your background image as per your wish. So now let's see what are the new features available, other features available in this update. Talking about new features, first of all, if you see, it is a common one, the date and time is available earlier as well. If you see the new ones, that is your photo only. So from now onwards, you can keep just a simple photo as your home screen widgets. So earlier we were using Widgetsmith or photo widgets to keep our photos as your home screen widgets, but now that feature is available in your color widget application as well. The next one is your calendar, that is available, and the next one, the new one, is your countdown. So here you can keep a track of any event by a countdown feature. For example, let's create an event and keep a track. Okay, birthday, and choose a countdown date, means the day the event is coming. So just let's choose 22nd. Once you do that, click on set widget, and once you do that, let's go to home screen, and if you see here, the date, okay, and the birthday date name is coming and 5 days left. So it will act as a reminder for you and keep a track of upcoming event. And the last one, which is the new one, your text here. So instead of a date, time, countdowns, you can keep a simple text as your home screen widget. For example, let's keep my nickname, that is Mr. Beardo. Okay, once you do that, click on set widget. Once you do that, go back to your home screen, and if you see here, this is a simple widget with my nickname or a text. So similarly, you can use this feature and create multiple widgets on your home screen. For example, from now you don't require this multiple application for a customizing your home screen. Just one simple color widgets will do the work for you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.